Hi everyone, good morning. Am I audible? Am I audible? Please somebody respond.
Good morning, and yes, you are audible.
Okay, fine. So in today class, we are going to discuss about lookup rules. Okay. So there are three types of lookup rules. Okay. First one is priority lookup rules. Yeah, lookup rules. Second one is assignment lookup rules. Third one is data lookup rules. Data lookup definition. Okay. Okay, there are three types of lookup rules. We don't require any definitions for these. Okay, you just understand the concept. Yes, lookup rules. There are three types of lookup rules we have in our service now. Those are priority lookup rules, assignment lookup rules, data lookup definitions. So first we can go to the priority lookup rules. First we can go to the priority lookup rules. Priority lookup rules. So you can see the navigation. So here you can write PRIO priority lookup. Under system policy, we have rules. Under rules, we have priority lookup rules. Okay. Under system policy, we have rules. Under rules, we have priority lookup rules. So we'll note on the table name for priority lookup rules. Okay. So priority lookup rules. The rules table name is I hope DL, yes, DL underscore U underscore priority. DL underscore U underscore priority. This is the priority lookup rules table name. DL underscore U underscore priority. Okay, guys. Yes. So what this priority lookup rules will do? What this priority lookup rules will do? So if you go to the instance table, if you go to the problem table, if you go to the change table, so you have seen priority is auto populating. Yes or no? You have seen priority is auto populating. The priority is auto populating based upon the priority lookup rules. Okay, based upon the priority lookup rules. So for example, here you can see impact is 3, urgency is 3, and priority is 5. It is based upon this priority lookup rules. Okay, so here you can see impact is 3, urgency is 3. So priority is what? 5. Okay, yes. So for example, here you can see I'm changing impact is 1, urgency is also 1. You can see priority is changed to critical. You can come here 1 critical. Okay, for example, prior impact is 1, urgency is 2. Priority is changed to 2 high. You can come here. So here you can see 1, 2, 2. Okay, so this priorities in the instant problem change tables are populating based upon the priority data lookup rules. Got it, everybody? So in interviews, they will ask the questions from the priority. So for example, impact is 1, urgency is 2. What is priority? Okay, impact is 1, urgency is 2. What is priority? They will ask this kind of questions. So here priority is 2. So I will give you one formula here. Based upon formula, you can able to identify. Okay, priority equal to impact plus urgency minus 1. This is not Servicenow authorized formula. Okay, please don't tell this formula in interviews. This is not Servicenow authorized formula. It's not related to Servicenow authorized formula. Okay, for our understanding purpose, I am giving this one. Okay, so now tell me, guys, impact is 1, urgency is 1. What is priority?
1.
1. So impact is 3, urgency is 2. What is priority?
4.
Perfect. Okay, like this we have to answer if we get this kind of questions in interviews. So now we can see. So 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 1 plus 2, 3 minus 1, 2. 1 plus 3, 4 minus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1, 3. 2 plus 3, 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, 3 plus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1, 4. 3 plus 3, 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, so these are the default priority lookup rules. So as per our organizational requirement, if we want to modify, yes, we can able to modify this priority lookup rules. Okay, as per our organizational requirement. Any queries from this priority lookup rules? Definitions we don't require actually for these lookup rules. Yes. No queries. Perfect. Next. So for example, if you want to modify, yes, if you want to modify any values here, yes, you can able to modify. Okay, as per our organizational requirement. Yes, Ramakrishna, tell me.
Yeah, that's what I am asking, Andy.
Yeah, if you
And
want to
if
modify,
we need
yes, you can.
any modifications, means what we have to do in that.
So
You
for
said that.
example, in our organization, if impact is 1, urgency is 1. So if you get the requirement like you don't want priorities 1, if you want to keep priorities 5, something like that. Okay, if you want to keep priorities 5, yes, you can able to keep. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Yes, like that. So for example, here 3, 3, 6. Here priority is populating 5. For example, if you don't want to populate 5, if you want to populate 3, yes, you can simply change here. Okay, if it simply change here, then automatically it will appear in the instant table problem change tables when we populate impact and urgency. Got it?
As per our organization, we can modify the priority lookup table. Yeah,
Yes. So I hope in my current project we have different values based upon impact and urgency, different priority I'm seeing daily. Okay, but in previous organizations where I work, so nobody modified these priority lookup rules. Okay. Okay, fine. Next, assignment lookup rules. Next, assignment lookup rules. You can type assignment lookup rules. So under system policy, we have rules. Under rules, we have assignment lookup rules. So assignment lookup rules table name is, I'm saving it. You can come here and you can see DL underscore assignment. Okay, DL underscore U underscore assignment. This is the assignment lookup rule table name. Okay, yes, I'm saving it. For example, here you can see here we have only one record. If it is inquiry, categories inquiry, subcategories email. So the ticket is assigning to Fred today. Now you can come, you can select the same criteria here. So subcategory is email. What happening to assign to? Tell me, guys.
automatically
Yes.
assign it to the Fred.
Yeah, exactly. So assignment lookup rules will auto assign the tickets based upon the criteria. Okay. For example, now I'm planning to keep on criteria a category software. So subcategory is operating system. Then I want to populate this ticket to software department. Okay, maybe in the software okay. In the software, I'm planning to assign this ticket to Beth. Okay, this I'm planning to develop in the assignment data lookup. So you can say I'm clicking on new button here. So if the category is software, subcategory is operating system, then I want to assign this ticket to software team. For example, I want to assign this ticket to Beth. Okay, so I'm saving this record here. You can come and refresh here. You can come and refresh here. So based upon our criteria created in assignment data lookup, so it will auto populate. Okay, for example, here category I'm selecting software, subcategory I'm selecting operating system. Data is populating or not? Yes or no? Based upon the criteria we have given there, the data is populating. In the organizations, mostly ticket will assign to us based upon this assignment lookup. And we have another concept, assignments also. Based upon assignment lookup and assignments, the tickets mostly assigned to us. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Next I'm going to assignments. Within the assignment lookup rules only, we have another concept, assignments. So wait, assignment. Under system policy, we have rules. Under rules, we have assignment. Okay. So sys rule underscore assignment. Okay. Sys rule underscore assignment. So here you can see table name is sys rule underscore assignment. Here you can see, guys. So if we go to the assignment lookup rules. Okay. Here you have given some criteria. Based upon that criteria is auto assigning it. Okay. So here there is no way to make filter conditions, whatever. Here there is no way to customize even assignment lookup. Yes or no? So based upon category, subcategory, configuration item, location, only you have to keep assignment group and assign to. So if we go to the assignments, it's not like that. If we go to the assignments, it's not like that. So you can say I'm creating one new assignment rule. Wait. So I will tell short description contains Anji. Assigned to network team. Okay, assigned to network, I'm saying. So in the instant table I'm creating. So here you can come. So here I'm making my own condition. Okay. Maybe contains Anji. I'm saying something like this. Okay. You can come to the assign to group. Maybe I'm planning to assign it to network group. From the network, maybe we have David Lu. Yes, I'm assigning to David Lu. I'm saving it. Everybody got it how I'm creating assignment rule. Okay, so whatever the conditions you want, you can keep here. And so for example, and you can see caller is, for example, I want to keep another condition also here. Whatever the conditions you want to keep, you can keep here. Caller is maybe Anji user. Caller is Anji user. Okay, if you want to keep category, subcategory related conditions also, yes, you can. Category, for example, where is category? Whatever the conditions you want. 1 minute. Caller is Anji. Whatever the conditions you want. Anji. Category is network. Okay, then I'm saving it. For example, you can say I'm saving it. So if our ticket met this criteria, this criteria, then it will assign to network team and user is David. You can come to instant and you can refresh this instant. Okay. So here I'm saying Anji user. So maybe in the short description also I'm saying test Anji. Okay. Category I'm saying network. Yes. This matching our criteria or not? Yes or no? Yes. this is matching our assignment rule criteria. Once you save the record, it will auto assign the ticket as per we have given in the assignment rule. Yes, it is assigned or not? Tell me, guys. Once you save, it is assigned or not?
Yes, Sanji.
Okay, if it is the assignment lookup rule, before saving the form, it will auto populate assignment group and assigned to. If it is the assignment rule, after submitting the form, it will auto assign to somebody. Okay, got it? The difference between assignment data lookup and assignment rule. Yes, assignment data lookup. So will auto populate the assignment group and assign to before submitting the form. If it is the assignment rule, the data assignment group and assign to will populate after submitting the form. Okay, if it is the assignment data lookup, so you have only specific parameters to provide. The ticket want to assign automatically. Okay, like category, subcategory, location, configuration item. If we go to the assignment rule, whatever the filter condition we are planning to give, yes, you can assign. Okay, yes. So next, I'm closing all the tabs. Next, we have data lookup rules. Data lookup definitions. This is also under system policy only. You can note down. Data lookup definition. So you can see under system policy, we have rules. System policy, the rules, data lookup definitions. So data lookup definitions table name is note on the table. Okay. So you can say DL underscore definition. Okay, this is the data lookup definition table name. So basically, in the data lookup definition, table, we will configure assignment lookups, priority lookups. If we want to create any custom table, yes, we will configure those assignments in the data lookup definitions. Okay, so here you can see they have configured priority lookup, they have configured assignment lookup, they have configured priority for problem lookup. Okay, yes, for example, I'm going to the priority lookup here. I'm going to priority lookup configuration. So you can see, so here source table is instant, matcher table is DL underscore U underscore priority table. Okay, so here we have matcher field definitions, we have setter field definitions. So in the matcher field definitions, they have configured impact and urgency. That means based upon the impact and urgency, setter field is auto populating. Got it, everybody? So in the data lookup definitions, we will configure the lookup rules. In the data lookup definitions, we will configure the lookup rules. Okay. Yes. Next, again, I will also show you how assignment lookup configuration they're given. So you can see here source table where this assignment data lookup need to apply. In the instant table, we have to apply. Okay, so that's why source table I have taken instant, and matcher table is assignment data lookup. Here you can see matcher field definitions. Based upon these 4 fields data, we have to set these 2 fields. Okay, based upon these 4 fields data, we have to set these 2 fields data. Got it? Yes or no? Yes. And so if you see the DL underscore U underscore priority, DL underscore U underscore assignment, all these data lookup tables was extended from the DL matcher table. So I don't remember exact table. We'll go to the tables. Under system definition, we have tables. Table name is DL matcher. I remember the backend name. DL underscore matcher. Label I don't remember. Yes, data lookup matcher rule. This table, data lookup matcher rule table, we need to extend. Okay. If you want to create any custom data lookup rule, if you want to create any custom lookup rules, okay, you want to extend that table with this table, DL underscore matcher table. So DL underscore U underscore priority, DL underscore U underscore assignment tables are extending from the data matcher rules. Okay, data matcher rule table. Okay, data lookup matcher rules. Got it? Any queries within the data lookup within the lookup rules? So please tell me. Any queries here?
Please explain data lookup rules once again.
Okay, fine. So I'm closing all the tabs first of all. So I'm going to the data lookup definitions. Okay. So you have seen assignment lookup rules. You have seen priority lookup rules. Okay. So that priority lookup rules and assignment lookup rules has configured whatever the lookup rules, even your custom lookup rules also. You have to configure in the data lookup definitions. Okay. Priority lookup rules, assignment lookup rules. So if you want to create any custom lookup rules, so you have to configure in the data lookup definitions. So if you open the data lookup definitions, so you can see the configuration files. We have 3 configuration files. One is priority lookup rules for the instant table, assignment lookup rules for the instant table, priority problem lookup for the problem table. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So for example, we can see how they configure priority lookup. We can see how they configure priority lookup in the data lookup definition. So here you can see, here we have to provide the source table and target table, matcher table. Okay. So source table means, so where this priority lookup rules table need to apply. So in the instant table, it need to apply. That's why we have given here instant. Okay. And matcher table is priority data lookup rule. Okay. This you got it?
Yes, Anji.
Okay, perfect. Next, you can see if we go to the matcher field definitions. So based on what fields you have to set priority field. Based upon what fields you have to set on priority field. So based upon the matcher field definitions. So based upon impact and urgency, we are setting the priority. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Anji, what is the use of doing data look definition priority lookup?
Yes. Sorry, I didn't get your question. You can repeat it.
What is the use of this data look definition priority lookup?
Yeah, so basically, so for example, if you created priority lookup, okay, you created priority lookup. So if you want to apply that priority lookup, you have to configure in the data lookup definitions. Without configuring all your lookups into the data lookup definitions, it won't work out. Okay.
Yeah.
So here you are saying matcher fields and setter fields. So you can say in the matcher fields, you are saying based upon these fields, you can set this field. You are saying like that here. Okay. And on which table this priority lookup need to apply and all. Here you are saying. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Next you can see, I'm going to the assignment lookup. We can also see this assignment lookup. So you can see this assignment lookup, need to apply on the instant table. Yes, we have selected instant table here. And matcher table, it should be applied from the assignment data lookup rules. Okay. So here you can see based upon these 4 fields, we have to set these 2 fields. Okay. Based upon these 4 fields, we have to set these 2 fields. Got it, everybody? So based upon category, subcategory, configuration item and location fields, we have to set assignment group and assigned table. Okay. Yes.
Yes, Anji.
Yes. Like
Anji sir,
yes.
so you mean that we need to create first the rules and then we need to
Configure here. Yeah. First of all, you have, for example, if you want your custom lookup, first of all, you have to create a table like assignment data lookup or priority lookup. Okay.
Okay.
You have to create your own. So for example, we have 1 minute. For example, we have my parent table. Okay. Yes, you have to create a lookup for my parent table. Okay. By extending the data lookup matcher rule table. Okay. By extending the data lookup match a rule table. Then after you have to provide the whatever the fields you want to keep in that lookup rule. Then after you have to create a data lookup definition here like this, and you have to provide based upon which fields data need to populate on which fields. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Next. So in the tables concept, we have extended tables, right? Yes or no? We also discussed about extended tables, like we extended my parent to my child table. Yes or no? But I haven't show you a table extended from the task table. Okay, can we create one table and it is extended from the task table? Yes, I forgot this example at that time. So now I remember this example. Okay, under system definition we have tables. Yes, you already know how to extend tables and all. So if we extend task table, how it looks like, I am planning to show. Okay. So here I'm saying my ticket. My table name is my ticket. Okay. And it is extending from the task table. It is extending from the task table. So I'm simply saving it. Yes. So you can see we have successfully created my ticket table, and this my ticket table has extended from the task table. You can see how many columns will we have here. If we extend task table to our my ticket table, almost 71 columns are there. Yes. Now I'm opening this form. You can see how the form looks like. So first of all, I will also go for list view. So duplicate. And you can see the form view. Okay, how it looks like. So number assigned to configuration item, active, short description, work notes, priority, state. Here different states we have: pending, open, work in progress, close, complete, closed, incomplete, closed, skipped. Okay, so the form looks like this. So if you want to configure the form, yes, you can go to the configure form later and you can configure whatever the fields from the task table you want. Okay. Yes. Next I'm going for another concept called templates. So in one interview, they have asked about template. What is template? Okay, that's why I'm planning to. Why every time this file is coming to top? Templates. So I'm saving it. Now I can come here. We'll see the definition for templates first. If we see the definition, then immediately we'll understand what template will do. So basically, template will auto-populate the data into the forms. So if we see the standard change, so based upon the type of standard change we selected, so related fields is automatically filling. It is based upon the templates only. Okay. First of all, I will show you how data is populating. Change underscore request. Okay. Yes. Sorry. Yes, request dot list. First of all, I'm opening change request list view. I will show you standard change request template. So new pre-approved, I'm going to pre-approve. These all are the standard change templates. For example, I'm selecting replace printer toner. So you can see when we select replace printer toner, all the data related to the standard change template is applying or not. So you can see planning is automatically planning related fields automatically filled. So short description, all these automatically filled. So if we want to autofill, like in the instant or in the change request, yes, we have to create a templates. Okay. Yes. It is in Servicenow. We can go for definition now. First of all, form templates. So you can see template simplify the process of submitting a new record by populating fields automatically. Okay. Templates simplify the process of submitting records by populating fields automatically. Okay. Templates simply the process of submitting new records by populating fields automatically. I'm copying this definition and I'm pasting here. Okay. Yes, this is templates definition. And I will also copy the URL. Use templates to populate most user fields for specific table. Save it as template and then make the template accessible to your users. User can manually apply the template when creating a record. Okay. Yes. I'm keeping this URL. If you want to go with more information, yes, you can go there. So I'm saving it. Now I'm going to templates. I'm closing this table. So here you can type templates. Under system definition, we have templates. Okay. So you can scroll down under system definition, we have templates, right? I'm closing this, closing this. Yes. Under system definition, we have templates. Okay. So I will note down the navigation. Definition, we have templates. Okay. Templates table name is, sorry. So you can see sys underscore template. I'm copying it. Save. Okay. Yes. We also saved templates table name. I'm saving it. Now you can come here and I'm going to create one template for my incident table. On the incident table, I'm planning to create one template. So table name is incident. My table name is incident. Okay. Yes. My template name should be template 2, right? So I will modify my template name. Anji incident. I'm saying something like this. Anji incident. Okay. My template name is Anji incident. So short description, I don't want to keep any short description. Now I'm setting the field values here. Color I'm setting Anji user by default. Okay. So short description, I'm planning to keep something like this. Anji has network issue. I'm saying like this. Wait. Category. So maybe I'm selecting network subcategory. I'm selecting maybe Wi-Fi. We have wireless. Next, if you want to provide impact urgency, also you can provide impact. Maybe I'm selecting here only urgency 1. So priority will auto populate, you know that. Channel also I'm keeping channel. In the channel, channel I'm saying self-service. Next, description. So in the description, I'm saying this one. I like this. I will tell hiding. So please resolve. Yeah, soon as possible. Okay. I'll say like this. Thanks. Servicenow. Yes, if you want to keep assignments also, yes, you can keep assignment group. By default, if Anji raises if we select Anji incident template, so it has to assign to network group default, for example. Okay, if you want to keep assigned to also, yes, you can keep. Whatever the fields you want to auto populate by selecting this template. Okay, you can fill here. Maybe I'm saying David Lu. I'm selecting David and I'm saving this template, guys. I'm saving this template. Okay. Yes, I have successfully created one template called Anji incident. Anji incident. Now you can come here. You can go to the incident table and you can try to create an incident. Incident dot, yes, incident. I'm going to create new. Okay. Yes. Here I want to create incident based upon template. So here you can come to this three dots. You can come to these three dots. You can click on toggle template bar. So here you can see here it is appearing. Appearing or not template bar? Yes or no? So when we click on this toggle template bar, it will apply. It will show here all the templates. Okay. So in the instant table, we have this many templates. So in the instant table, we have MIM major instant candidate, major instant, instant call type, Anji instant. These all are the templates. So our recent template, my custom template is Anji instant. Now when I click on Anji instant template here, Anji instant template related data will auto populate. So you can see all the data is populated or not. You can see wherever data is populated from the template, it will show in some tick mark with some circle. Okay. It is populated or not, you can see, guys.
Yes, Anji.
Okay, like this we will create a templates and we will apply to a forms. Okay, I have created template on instant table. You can create templates wherever you want. Okay, yes, perfect. Now again, for example, again I'm going to create a new instance. Again I want to apply a template. You can come to this three dots icon. You can click on toggle template bar. Wait, templates is not appearing here. Wait. Toggle template bar. Yes, now it is appearing. Now I'm clicking on Anji instant. Yes, my template is applied. Even you can say channel is populated based upon impact, urgency, priority is auto populated, assignment group assigned to. We have given all the details based upon the template. Okay. Yes, perfect. This is about templates. Next. My next concept. Yes.
After applying the template, we can we modify the data?
Yeah, if you want to, even after applying the data, if you want to modify, yes, for example, I want to keep this as a software. Yes, you can modify, no problem. So applying template is only for populating data instead of filling every time. Same data filling every time in the forms. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Leave. I'm also leaving this. Next. Metrics. We have metrics. So in interviews, they asked about metrics definition. And they also asked about, so I also got one requirement with metrics. That's why I kept this concept in our syllabus. Okay. So first of all, we will see the definition of metrics. So you can see. Yes. Loading wait. So you can see metric definition. A metric measures and evaluates the effectiveness of the IT service management process. Okay. A metric measures and evaluates the effectiveness of IT service management process. Okay. So if you want to measure something, for example, guys, so we have instant record. So for example, first instant record was assigned to software group. Okay. Then after the instant was assigned to some hardware group. Okay. Finally, the instant was resolved by hardware group. Now I want to find out how much time software department worked on this ticket, how much time hardware department team works on this ticket, this particular incident. So based upon the metrics, we can able to identify that how much time each team will work on this ticket. Okay. Yes. I'm copying the definition here, metrics definition. So you can see, for example, here you can see, for example, a metric could measure the effectiveness of the incident resolution process by calculating how long it takes to resolve an incident. How long it takes to resolve an incident. Okay, guys. So one incident, how much time it took for resolving the incident. By we can able to do it by using the metrics. So I'm keeping this URL here for you can go to this URL for more information. Okay. Yes. Now you can come here. I'm closing all the tabs. You can type metrics. So you can see under metrics, we have definitions. Under metrics, we have definitions. Okay. Under metrics, we have definitions. That is navigation. Under metrics, we have definitions. Metric definition table name is table name. So metric underscore definition. Okay. Metric underscore definition. So I'm saving it. So here you can see we already have many metrics on instant table. I have seen here. You can see resolve by known error, create to resolve duration, assign to duration, instant state duration, first call resolution, assignment group. We have many metrics. So first of all, I will go to the instant form and I will bring all these metrics to form. Okay. List. So for example, I'm opening one instant record. So now, as of now, here you are not able to see any metrics in the related list. Now I'm configuring the metrics. I'm going to configure related list. Configure related list. Metric. Yes. Bring this metric. No. That only we have. I'm saving it. You can see. In this instant record, how many metrics you are able to see. So you can see. We have almost 5 metrics are running on this instant table. Okay. So ticket is assigned to David Lu. Ticket is assigned to David Lu. So in progress, it is based upon the state. For example, you can see, guys. So I will modify something here. I'm trying to resolving. Instead of David Lu, I'm assigning to Beth. I think Beth is not from Fred. Yes, I'm assigning this ticket to Fred Ludy and he is resolving the incident. Okay. For example, you can see metrics will automatically change. Saying yes. You can come here and you can see, wait. Yes, almost we have 8 metrics. So you can see. So 1 minute. David Lu, how much time worked on this ticket? Tell me, guys. David Lu, how much time worked on this ticket? 6 minutes. Okay. So how much time it took to resolve this particular incident? 6 minutes. Okay. How much time this incident in progress state? 6 minutes. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
to find out, for example, David, so we can able to find out the measurement. So for example, if the ticket is assigned to somebody, how much time he really worked on this particular incident? Okay, we can able to find out. For example, ticket incident is moving with a different state. This incident record is in which state for how much time? Okay, if it is a new state, how much time it will be there with the new state? Like that, we can able to find out. Okay, got it? Even you can see the assignment group, the ticket is with the network group. How much time the ticket was in network group? So you can see at the 8 minutes ago, it was assigned to network group. Still, it is with network group only. Okay, got like this. So now I'm not creating any metric definitions. We already have metrics created, multiple metrics created here. Okay, I'm not creating anything. So I will simply open assignment group related metric. I will open and I will show you. So actually, I'm planning to create assignment group related metric only. It's already there. We don't require to create. So here you can see Name is assignment group. On which table you are planning to create a metric? I'm planning to create a metric on instant table. On which field you are planning to create a metric? On assignment group field, I'm going to create a metric. And type, so field value duration or script calculation. Yes, I want to keep field value duration. Okay, the particular ticket, how much time with this particular assignment group. Okay, like this we have to configure. Okay, got it. So I will also keep this table name, metrics table name. I don't remember actually. So metric underscore instance. This is metric underscore instance, metrics table name. Metric table name is metric underscore instance. Okay, everybody got it? Any queries with metrics or templates? Then I will go for another concept. Any queries here? No. Okay, fine. Next, process flow. My next concept is process flow. Process flow. I'm saving it. And come here. I'm closing all the tab. If we go to the change request table, change underscore request dot form. So you can able to see some graphical representation of states in the top of the form. Okay, you can able to see some graphical representation of states in the form, top of the form. Okay, so if we go to the problem form, you can able to see this graphical representation of states in the top of the form. So this we are calling as process flow. For our instant table, we don't have any process flow. Now I'm going to create a process flow for our instant table. Okay, first of all, we'll note down the definition of process flow. Okay, so here you can see we don't have any process flow. I'm going to create. Yes. Process flow will tell you a graphical representation of states at the top of the form. Okay. Yes, here you can see. The process flow formatter provides a graphical summary of stages in a process. The formatter is typically shown at the top of the forms that are part of a process. Okay, so this is the definition of process flow. The process flow formatter provides a graphical summary of the stages in a process. Okay, so I'm keeping this definition here. Right, why is coming to here? I'm copying here. So next, I'm copying this URL. Next, you can see the definition one more time. The process flow formatter provides a graphical summary of stages in a process. Okay, we can go for the navigation. So I'm closing all the tabs. Wait, you can keep instant. Remaining you can close. Process flow. Under system UI, we have process flow. Under system UI, we have process flow. UI, I have process flow. Process flow. Table name is _process _flow. I'm copying it. _process _flow. Okay. Yes. I'm saving it. Now you can come here. Yes, we have saved the table name. So you can see, so for the change request, we have different process flow records. For each state, we have to create a one process flow record. Okay. And here order is very, very important. If you miss order, here it will show states in different format. Okay. Now I'm going to create a process flow for incident table. Yes, now I'm creating one new record here, first of all. So in incident table, I'm going to create. Okay, that's why I'm selecting incident. So name, so our first state is new. I'm keeping name is new. Label is new. Okay, label is new. Order is 100 I'm giving. So here I'm giving filter condition, state is new. Okay, Here I'm giving state is new. Okay, I'm saving it. First record, I'm saving it. Next, yes, for new, we have created, you can see process flow formatter automatically created for the instant. So previously, if you go to the form layout, previously we don't have any process flow here. Previously, we don't have any process flow here. Now we have created process flow. That's why the process flow is created here. You can see somewhere you will see process flow now. Previously, it is not. Yes. Now you are able to see the process flow. I'm also using the begin state here. I will bring these two to top of the form. Now we have created only one process flow record as of now. We have to create for each stage we have one separate record. Okay. So big process flow I'm keeping at the top of the form before begin state. I'm saving it. You can come here and you can see. Now we are able to see the new only one stage here. Now I'm going to create another one that is in progress. Yes, you can come here in progress. Okay, Control C. I'm pasting here. Order I'm changing to 200. In the same record I'm modifying. Now I will not save this record. I will do insert and stay. Then we'll create a duplicate copy of record. Next. Other on hold. Next one is on hold. I will keep on hold here. On hold. Okay, Control C. So order I will give 300. Okay, here I'm saying on hold. Yes, insert and stay. Resolved. Resolved. So yes, here I'm keeping resolved. Order also important. I'm changing order is 400. I will do the insert and stay. Next one is closed. Yellow, yes, here close. So here also I'm saying yellow, yes, CD. So order is 500. Here state I'm selecting closed. Okay. So I'm saying insert and stay. Next. Cancelled. Next one, last one is cancelled. I'm creating cancelled record here. Cancelled. Order is 600. So state is cancelled. Wait. I'm saying insert and stay. Okay. Yes, I have successfully created 6 records for instant table process per record. Okay. So reload the instant form. Now you can able to see the process flow. Got it, everybody, how I have created. Now, if you go to the process flow again, here you can see how many records we have created with instant table. Where is instant table? Yes, here it is. Show matching. So here you can see new in progress, on hold, result, closure, cancelled, and order also you can see it is in sequence. Based upon this sequence, the states are showing here. Okay. Got it, everybody? The process flow.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sanjay.
Okay, fine. Next interceptor. Next concept is next definition is interceptor. So I'm not creating any interceptor as of now in our Servicenow instance. I will give the just definition. Interceptor, CEPT1. Yes, if we go to the change request, I'm closing all the tasks here. If we go to the change request and type change, create new. When you click on create new, it is navigating to interceptor. So pinned, models, pre-approved, all these all are the interceptors here. Okay. Here, these all are the interceptors here. Got it, everybody? So when we click on create new record, so before going to the new record form, it will open something that should we are calling as interceptor. Okay, here these all are the interceptors. So pinned is one interceptor, models is one interceptor, pre-approved is one interceptor, all is one interceptor. Okay, so we'll go for the definition. That's CEPT1 interceptor in Servicenow docs. 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. I didn't get any definition here. No. This is community. This is developer. And suppose I can use not this one, guys. So here I didn't get the exact definition. Wait. So basically, interceptor is whenever we are planning to create a new record, before going to new record form, it will show some page. That page we are calling as interceptor. Okay. So I will give you the definition. Wait 1 minute. So you can say I have copy pasted interceptor definition from somewhere. So you can say interceptor give you way to show users various options when creating a new record. Okay. So interceptor give you way to show users various options when creating a new record. Okay. While creating a new record, it will show different options that we are calling as interceptor. This is particularly useful if you want to show a particular form, you are direct to extended table based upon their response. Okay. So interceptor give you way to show users various options when creating a new record. This is particularly useful if you want to show a particular form view or direct to an extended tables based upon their response. Okay. So interceptor's navigation is under system definition. We have interceptor under system definition. We have interceptor. You can see, you can type interceptor here. So under system definition, we have the table name is sys underscore wizard. The table name is sys underscore wizard. These all are the interceptors. So you can see, guys, whenever we are trying to create a new record, so before creating new record, if it will show any pages in between, so that should we are calling as interceptor. Okay. Here now I'm not creating any interceptor here. Okay. Even in real time, I didn't get any chance to create the interceptor. So maybe if you get any this kind of requirement, maybe you can try at that time you can visit this table and you can see existing interceptors and you can follow same. Okay. Next we have system properties. So next we have system properties. So what is system property? System properties are used to control the system behavior. System properties are used to control the system behavior. Yes or no? System properties are used to control the system behavior. You can directly type the table backend name sys underscore properties and you can see all the system properties. So in the starting of the classes, we have modified some system properties also, right? So we checked email properties, we checked basic configuration properties. Yes or no? Those all are the system properties only. So for example, email, you can type properties. So you are able to see everything. So you can see in the user experience, we have properties, some incident, we have some properties, problems, have some properties, service catalog, we have some properties. If you want to see all these properties at one place, you can go to the sys underscore properties table. List. Okay. We also modified few properties, guys. So 1 minute. I'm filtering Z to A. So you can see. Yes, we have modified this property. I hope you remember or not. So glide show password field. We have modified this false to true. Okay, like that we also modified the email properties. Email properties we modified. Wait. So next, what we modified? Polaris property also we modified, right? So these all are the properties. So system properties will always change the system behavior. System properties will always change the system behavior. Okay. Yes. So these are few definitions. Once we navigate to our syllabus copy, and we can check if we have 20 minutes time, right? We can check if we have any definitions pending. Yes. System properties, process flow, system properties, interceptor. Flow designer not completed. Lookup rules completed. Templates metrics also completed. Okay. So we have time. So now I'm going to go for the flow designer definitions. Okay, we have many definitions with the flow designer. Now I'm going to flow designer definitions, and maybe in tomorrow class I will explain the one flow designer example. Okay. I'm closing it.
Workflow and flow designers both are different or same, Anji?
No, both are different. So basically, flow designer is the advanced to workflow. Okay. So workflows we will use along with service catalogs, and in our custom tables also we can able to create workflows. Okay, we'll see the workflows concept as well. Okay, in the development part. Yes, flow designer. We had many definitions here: flow designer, flow, subflow, action, integration hub. We have many definitions come. First of all, I'm closing all the tabs. Flow designer in Servicenow. I'm going to docs definition only. Flow. No, 1 minute. Wait, I'm not found proper URL. Okay. Oh, I copied some flow designer related URL from somewhere. I'm opening this URL. Oh, wait. Even I'm not found, this URL doesn't contain those definitions. It's okay, fine. So I already have definitions. Okay, I already have definitions. So I'm copying flow designer definitions from previous class, previous batch class notes. Okay. Copying it, closing it. Now you can see, the flow designer definitions. So a flow designer is a now platform feature for automating process in a single design environment. Okay. A flow designer is a now platform feature for automating processes in a single design environment. Flow designer lets process owners use natural language to automate approvals, tasks, notification, and record operations without coding. Okay. So we can able to do everything without coding in the flow designer. Flow designer is a now platform feature for automating process in a single design environment. Flow designer lets process owners use natural languages to automate approvals, tasks, notifications, and record operations without coding. Okay. You can expand flow designer to communicate with external instances and third-party systems by requesting a separate subscription to a integration hub. Okay. So basically, flow designer is used to automate the process within the single design environment. Okay. By using flow designer, you can able to do the automating the approvals, tasks, notifications within our natural language and record operations. Okay. Yes. So here I use some YouTube URL video link. You can go to this URL and you can see the flow designer definitions more. Okay. If you want. So this URL is not working now. Maybe you can wait for some time and you can see. Next, we have some flow designer components. If you go to the flow designer, you can able to see some key, some concepts: flow, subflow, actions, spokes, action steps. Okay. So I have noted down here. So what is flow? A flow is an automated process consisting of a trigger and sequence of actions. Okay. A flow is an automated process consisting of a trigger and sequence of actions. Okay. Next, subflow. A subflow is an automated process consisting of a sequence of reusable actions, data inputs and outputs. A subflow is an automated process consisting of a sequence of reusable actions, data inputs and outputs. Actions. An action is a reusable operation that enables process analysis to automate now platform feature without having to write a code. Okay. An action is a reusable operation that enables process analysts to automate now platform features without having any to write code. Spokes. A spoke is a scoped application containing flow designer action and subflow for mapping specific tables. Okay. Next, action steps. An action step or step is a single reusable operation within a action. Okay. Next, flow designer benefits. What are the benefits if we use the flow designer? Automate repetitive work to improve efficiency and experience. Describe. So you can say describe workflow in natural language to help non-technical users understand what it does. So next one, enable creating and testing a workflow from a single interface to ensure it works as expected. Next, promotes process automation by enabling subject matter experts to develop and share reusable actions with the flow designer. Next, reduces upgrade cost with upgrade safe now platform logic replacing complex custom scripts. Reduce development cost by providing library of reusable actions. Enable extending flow designer content by subscribing to Servicenow integration hub or installing spokes. Okay. Yes, these are the benefits of flow designer. Next, in what is integration hub? Automate integration tasks using Servicenow built-in components for a flow designer or develop custom integration. Okay. So if you want to integrate some different tool with flow designer, so we have to use the integration hub. Okay. Integration hub automates integration tasks using Servicenow built-in components for flow designer or develop custom integrations. Okay. So this is about theory part of flow designer. Maybe in one class I will create one flow designer and I will show you. Okay. You can see the flow designer definition for 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. You can see flow designer is a now platform feature for automating process in a single design environment. Flow designer lets process owners use natural language to automate approvals, tasks, notifications, and record operations without coding. You can expand flow designer to communicate with external instances and third-party systems by requesting a separate subscription to integration hub. Okay, so we have some flow designer components: flow, subflow, actions, spokes, action steps. A flow is an automated process consisting of a trigger and sequence of actions. Subflow is an automated process consisting of a sequence of reusable actions, data inputs and outputs. Action is a reusable operation that enables process analysts to automate Now Platform features without having to write a code. Okay, spoke. A spoke is a scoped application containing flow designer actions and subflows for managing specific tables. Action steps. An action step or step is a single reusable operation within an action. Okay, we have some flow designer benefits. Those are: automate repetitive work to improve efficiency and experience. Describe a workflow in natural language to help non-technical users understand what it does. Enables creating and testing a workflow from single interface to ensure it works as expected. Promotes and process automation by enabling subject matter experts to develop and share reusable actions with flow designers. Reduce upgrade costs with upgrade safe Now Platform logic, replace complex custom scripts. Reduce development cost by providing a library of reusable actions. Enable extending flow designer content by subscribing to Servicenow Integration Hub. Okay, or initiating spokes. So what is Integration Hub? Integration Hub automate integration tasks using Servicenow built-in components for a flow designer or develop custom integrations. Okay, yes, this is about overall flow designer. So I will explain one flow designer example in next class, or maybe in further classes I will explain. Okay, so I'm stopping class here and I will take today's attendance. Any queries, please let me know. We have almost 5 minutes time. So I hope in tomorrow, I think tomorrow class, I'm planning to start with ACL concepts. Okay, I'm planning to start with ACL concepts. So it will take almost 2 to 3 days time to complete ACL. Then after I will go for reports. Yes, you have any queries from today class or from the previous classes? Guys, for the ACL concept, you have to do one setup. Okay, so I already said, right? You have to create some users: Ashok, Anji, Ravi, Rahul, Sai Kumar, Sai Krishna. You have to create these users. Then after you have to create 3 roles: Servicenow_admin, Servicenow_developer, Servicenow_testing. Then after you have to create 3 groups: Servicenow_admin, developer, testing. Then you have to assign Anji and Ashok user to Servicenow admin role to Servicenow admin group. Okay, then you have to assign Ravi and Rahul to Servicenow developer group and Servicenow developer role to Servicenow developer group. Okay, then after you have to assign Sai Kumar and Sai Krishna users to Servicenow testing group. Then you have to create a Servicenow testing role to Servicenow testing group. Okay, again I'm keeping this setup in today class notes, so please complete this setup. Based upon this setup only, all ACL examples we have. Okay, so we have almost 10 ACL examples we'll do in our classes. So every example is based upon this setup only. Okay, for our understanding purpose, first of all I have created this setup. Okay, every example will followed by this setup only. You have to create this in your Servicenow instance. Okay, so we have 3 minutes time. If you have any queries, please let me know. We'll discuss.
Anji, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
For some topics you mentioned like definition, only definition.
Yes.
What is it? I mean, like in real time, we don't use that particular topics.
So basically, for what concepts I use definition. So those I haven't worked on real time. Okay, in my real time I haven't worked on. Okay, but when I attend the interviews, they ask you definitions kind. Okay, that's why I mentioned those concepts. Okay, and if you join into the real-time organization, so may or may not will work with those concepts. So maybe if you get chance to work with those concepts, maybe you have to go for some docs or YouTube videos or whatever it may be, and you have to do it. Okay. Mostly you will not get, may or may not get those. Okay.
Okay, Anish.
Yeah, fine. Okay, guys. So thank you all. Thank you so much for attending classes on Sundays. Okay. So on Ugadi festival day, I will give you holiday because of class already taken today, right? That class. Yes. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Tomorrow I will start with ACL concept.